Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Crochet. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, and if you're not here, girl, welcome back. As you can see by the title, we are doing human hair crochet in this beautiful color. I had to take a break on the black. It was giving a lot of black, but how do we feel? I like this hair. It's my first time doing human hair crochet. I have a human hair crochet video on my channel, but I use bulk hair. But this is literally crochet human hair. Like, it's specifically made to be crocheted in, and the process is very simple. The hair is very easy to use. The hair we're using today is from QVR, and I'll show you guys the process and how easy it was to use this hair. I mean, get into it. I feel like the blend would have been a little bit better if my hair was not jet black, because I always dye my hair jet black, but nevertheless, it looks really, really good. This is how the back looks. I'm in love, y'all. Like, seriously. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Alright, I received 5 packs of this hair. This hair is from QVR. This is the color T230. Their small, kinky, curly human braiding hair extension. This is how it came. I have 5 packs. I did use almost 5 of them. I used like 4.5. And look at how they attach it. They use a little string, so that does help with the seamless. You know, sometimes with crochet it becomes very bulky at the top, so I did really like that. It's not as bulky, so it lays flat, which I really like. This is my braiding pattern. When I do most curly crochets, this is how I do my pattern. For my middle part, I like to connect it, and then for the side parts, if I'm going to part there, I like to connect those. And then the back doesn't really matter, so I just make big ones going down. And obviously I have a leave out. You do not have to do a leave out. Honestly, I wish I didn't do a leave out, but that's a case for another time. Anyways, now I'm going to show you guys how to install it. You want to go ahead and get your crochet hook. They did provide the crochet hooks. Every pack of hair came with crochet hooks, so I have crochet hooks for days. Anyway, there you go. And then you're going to get your crochet hook and slide it under your braid. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and get your crochet hair and slide it in. Where the little string is, that's where you hook it. And then you want to make sure you're kind of in between that string. That's what's going to give you that flat finish and that seamless look. We don't want the string hanging. Usually when I do crochet hair, I like to do the front pieces different, but since there's a string, it has to be the same. You can cut the hair to layer it if you like. I just didn't, but you can do that for a more layered look. Now you want to go ahead and slide your crochet hook again, and then you want to put it and loop it twice just to make sure that it's secure and it's not going to be sliding out. And also what I really like, y'all, with that string, your hair will not be sliding out. It's very secure. And then in a few weeks or a month, I'll show you guys how I took out the hair, because I know a lot of people always ask me how to take out the hair and preserve it, because since it's human hair, you can reuse it. And I think I want to reuse it and dye it.
Okay, y'all, so this is how all the hair looks installed. I thought I was going to use 4 packs. I definitely think I overdid it in the back, because this is a lot of hair, y'all. But I think once I put hair in it, it's gonna shrink and then blend out my leave out. So this is how the back looks. It doesn't look bad. And then this is how it looks. I'm gonna put some water in it, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then we'll do the final look. Alright, y'all. I did put water on the hair. I ended up not cutting it. I don't think I will. We'll see. But this is how we're looking. Here's how the blend is looking. You can see there's a shade difference because my hair is jet black and this is a dark brown, but from afar you can't really tell. Hold on. But from afar you cannot tell, honestly. So I'm happy with it. I really like it's like 70% dry right now, and it looks pretty good. I like it. It feels like it's my real hair. 10 out of 10. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below, because I will answer every single one of them to the best of my abilities. See you later. Bye.